Thank you for watching this video. We're going to talk you through a driver custom fit at Robin Hood Golf Club. At this point, we'll assess the driver that you're currently gaming in terms of head type, loft, shaft brand and flex. Once we've gathered some data from your current driver, we'll start to talk through some of the findings from the shots hit, such as how club head speed relates to what shaft type you might be. We'll assess your current dispersion pattern and how we can improve on it. We'll assess your current launch conditions and see how they can be optimised in terms of carry and total. We'll explain the importance of strike location and how it affects ball speed, launch and spin rate, and we'll also keep monitoring this throughout the process. At this point, we'll look into club head design. We'll explain which one is the most suitable for you within the brand's lineup. At this point, we're onto the shaft element of the fit. So you're assessing your club head speed and linking it to the right flex, as well as how you deliver the club to get the right launch profile from the shaft. Now it's time to start testing some of these combinations. Each combination will set on TrackMan and we'll get a pool of data. Within that pool of data, we can then make comparisons throughout the fit from all the various combinations that we put together until we find some ideal matches for you. We always start the fitting process indoors, as we're able to use a premium ball and really dial into the numbers to make sure that we get everything correct for the absolute optimal launch conditions. Whilst I'm assessing data throughout this section of the fit, I'm also after feedback from the golfers on their preferences. Once we've tried all the brands and feel like we've optimised what they have, we then start to assess the data to see which our standout winners are, to then be able to take them outside to test. Now it's time to test the driver outdoors. We've got our numbers and combinations locked in from inside, but there's no substitute for seeing the ball fly outside. There can be situations where players have two drivers that perform similar in the studio, but when we get outside, we always get to narrow it down to the best performing one in a natural environment. This is a really fun part of the fit where we get to see our work in the studio come to life. Golfers also take a lot of confidence as they see the ball fly with their final combination.